Let's have the AI build your website. Click WordPress admin to be routed into the onboarding flow. When it asks how would you like to start, click AI Site Creator. Next, you'll need to add some basic info about your site. First, add a site title. Then select your site type from the dropdown. Then you'll need to describe your site. Describe what type of site this will be, who it's for, if it's for a business, describe a little bit about the business, and if you're after a certain design aesthetic, describe that here too. For example, I'm making a website for a moving company called Maryland Movers. I wrote here that it's a professional moving company serving residential and commercial clients throughout Maryland. I described a little bit about the services that the business offers, and I said, I need a website that feels professional, trustworthy, and friendly, showcasing our services and making it easy to request a free moving quote. Once you have all your details in, click the Next button. Next, you'll be prompted to add a logo. If you have a logo already, you can click the Browse File button and upload it. If you don't have one, you have two options. You can wait till later in the video where I'll show you how to swap out the file, or you can create one with AI. I'll do this now, clicking the Create with AI button in the upper right. That brings us this dialog box where you can click Generate. Based on the name and description you provided for your site, Bluehost's AI will generate some logo options for you. It'll give you three options to start, and you can click the eye icon to preview any of them in bigger format. If you don't like any of the options, you can click the Generate More button. But in my case here, I actually really like this first logo it created, so I'll click that to select it, and then in the bottom right, click Set a Site Logo. Once you've done that, click the X at the upper right to close out the logo selection dialog, and then click Next. Bluehost will now build your website. This can take a few minutes, so this is a good opportunity to stretch, grab a drink of water or some coffee. Just like the logo, when it's done, you'll get three options to choose from, and you can click on any of them to preview them. When the preview opens, you can scroll through the full page to check out the design and all the images it loaded in for you. You can toggle between the other previews on the right side and scroll through those too. Personally, I like option 1 the best. And when you've got your favorite picked out, go ahead and click Customize with AI in the upper right. This will route you into the website editor. You may have a pop-up on your screen giving you some onboarding info, and you can just click through the buttons until you close that out.